Purkinje fiber. But Purkinje fiber have some characteristic differ from the cardiac muscle fibers. It is larger in size. Purkinje fibers, it is larger in size, have more glycogen granules and less myofibrils. They are larger in size. Notice with me, they are larger. The cardiac muscle fibers are larger, and the Purkinje are larger, pale in color, and have high content of the glycogen. So the difference of the moderator band, which is formed of Purkinje fibers, the fibers are larger in size, have more glycogen, have few myofibrils. It is responsible for rapid conduction of the impulse. Now we will discuss smooth muscle. What is the smooth muscle? It is non-striated involuntary muscle. Okay, where is the site of the smooth muscle? It present in the wall of the blood vessels, in the wall of the digestive system, in the respiratory system. Notice with me the spindle shape of the smooth muscle. Spindle shape of the smooth muscle, and the nucleus is central single oval. What is the development of the smooth muscle? Prenatal from the undifferentiated mesenchymal stem cell, postnatal from cells called pericyte. Where is the pericyte? Where is the site of the pericyte? Present in the wall of the blood vessels. Light microscope, the smooth muscle, size the smallest fiber, shape formed of fusiform or spindle shape, non-branching cell, the nucleus central single oval. The nucleus is central single oval. Notice with me, spindle in shape, the nucleus central single oval. Cytoplasm acidophilic, there is no striation, but it is surrounded by basement membrane. What is the electromicroscopic picture of the smooth muscle? Sarcoplasm of the smooth. What is the sarcoplasm? Sarcoplasm means cytoplasm of the smooth muscle, formed of 3 types of filament. Yes, thick filament and thin filament, and what's called intermediate filament. Thick filament and thin filament, there is no arrangement in the sarcomere. There is no sarcomere in the smooth muscle. The thick and thin filament are haphazard arranged, or irregular arranged. So there is no sarcomere in the smooth muscle. We have 3 types of filament: thick filament, thin filament, irregular arranged, and we have intermediate filament like desmin and fimentin. It contains, like any cell, RER, Golgi, and mitochondria. They are connected by each cell by the other by gap junction. What is the function of the smooth muscle? It contracts involuntarily. Also, it aids in the synthesis of type 3 collagen. Also, it aids in the synthesis of the elastin and proteoglycan. Growth and repair of the smooth muscle. Growth occurs by proliferation or by mitotic division. Mitotic division of the smooth muscle, we called it hyperplasia. Mitotic division, so increase in the number, we called it hyperplasia, or increase in the size by hypertrophy. Notice with me, there is no satellite cell. There is no satellite cell. So the only muscle have satellite cell is the skeletal muscle. Okay, so the growth and repair of the smooth muscle occur by proliferation or by mitotic division. Also, pericyte aids in the formation of the smooth muscle. Smooth muscle respond to increased load by hypertrophy and by hyperplasia. Hypertrophy increase in size, hyperplasia increase in the number. Comparison between skeletal and cardiac muscle, smooth muscle. This comparison is very important. Skeletal muscle voluntary, cardiac muscle involuntary, smooth muscle involuntary. Striation is very clear in the skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle less clear striation. There is no striation in the smooth muscle. Where is the site of the skeletal muscle? To any muscles bind to the skeleton. Also, it present in the face and the tongue. Where is the site of the cardiac muscle? In the wall of the heart and the origin of the big vessels. Where is the site of the smooth muscle? In the wall of the GIT. The shape, diameter, nucleus with T tubules. All these is the points of comparison, very important between the 3 types of the muscle. Notice with me, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle. It's very important to know that the T tubule and the skeletal muscle present at it form triad and present at AI junction. In the cardiac muscle, it present at Z line. In the smooth muscles, there is no T-tubule, but there is what is called cavula. There is no T-tubule in the smooth muscle, only there is what is called cavula. Okay? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is very well developed in the skeletal muscle, less developed in the cardiac muscle, present irregular in the smooth muscle. Innervation, motor innervation, so it's called voluntary. Autonomic innervation to the cardiac and smooth muscle, so we called it involuntary. Response to load by hypertrophy, here also by hypertrophy, here by hypertrophy and hyperplasia. Thank you very much.